doesn't start with them. It starts with you. You create because you care about an idea, a story, a truth. And if you care long enough, loud enough, consistently enough, someone else eventually does too. The world might scroll past this, channels fail, books fail, and yes, even people fail. Maybe none of that's so loudly enough to be heard, but I'll still write, because I think Donne was right. No one is an island, no author's work should go unread, and certainly no one's life is valueless. You have value, you have worth, and when you or your work disappears, we are all diminished. So the bell tolls, not for fame, not for followers. It tolls for connection, for courage, for you and for me. Even when no one cares, maybe that's when it matters more.